Back in the Weather Center with Chief Meteorologist Jennifer Perez, who's answering the big question, how much snow did we get?
Yeah, so it depends on where you're located at. Of course, that elevation makes all the difference. The highest snowfall amounts occurred in western Marquette County. You can see that giant blob of purple and pink. So areas in purple, that's where snowfall amounts range about up to 18 inches of snow. The areas in the pink, that smaller circle, in excess of 18 inches to 2 feet of snow. So just an isolated little patch ended up with about 2 feet of snow. That's your current snow depth. Most areas about a foot of snow in the darker shade of blue. Southern Marquette County, northern Dickinson County, the interior areas of northern Iron County, Gogebic, as well as Ontonagon and Iron counties. 3 to 6 inches in some areas towards the east. But here are some of those higher snowfall amounts that have been sent in. 18 inches of snow at the local National Weather Service office in Negaunee Township. 14 inches in Ironwood and Champion. 17 inches at Wanton, 18 inches at National Mine, about 22 inches in some spots, up to about 2 feet of snow in parts of Michigami over that 2-day span with that winter storm that has since moved out of the area. Now we still are dealing with some breezy conditions in the wake of that system and some lingering lake effect snow, but the rest of today looks a little bit better, and by the end of the week, looking a whole lot better. On Friday, we'll have a front move through with some isolated rain showers. That'll be minimal impact to us. And then this weekend will be really nice with some sunshine and unseasonably warm conditions. Winds today gusting around 30 to 35 miles per hour this morning near Lake Superior, but decreasing throughout the course of the day and afternoon. You can see those alerts have since expired, but there are still some winter weather advisories towards the far east and through the northern lower as that area of low pressure continues to lift northeast up through Ontario. So some areas to the far east still dealing with some of that wet, heavy, dense snow, but we are just dealing with some lingering light lake effect snow showers. Intensity is a little bit greater, though, within this more prominent band that has developed in eastern Marquette County, extending through northern Delta County. So this stretch of M35 is where the intensity is likely the greatest, to just north of Masonville. We still have some snowflakes out there over downtown Marquette right now with that breeze. Here's your hour by hour. We'll still have some of those lake effect snow showers around throughout the day. Here's later on this evening. In fact, even some pockets of sunshine as a clearing develops in the western areas of the UP. Tomorrow, a little wave of energy will bring in some light rain and snow mix towards the eastern counties in the morning. Otherwise, the rest of tomorrow looks fairly decent, partly to mostly cloudy skies. Temperatures for today, mid to upper 30s for most areas, especially inland, and then hovering near the 40-degree mark along the shorelines of the Great Lakes. Here's the rest of the week, looking a whole lot better by Friday, 50s. Saturday, upper 50s to low 60s. On Sunday, upper 60s. Near 70 degrees. And then on Monday, we have another disturbance. This time is going to bring in widespread rain, potentially some isolated thunderstorms.
All of those snowmen that were built yesterday are going to melt.
Bye-bye.
They're not lasting through the season, and I'm not mad about it.
Yeah.
All right, well, you might as well have fun in all that snow that we got, right?
Yeah, that's what Tia Trudgeon is doing.